on the way to Beacon Lighting now, and we're just about to do our consultation on our lighting plan for our home. Now, we're going to focus on the kitchen, butler's laundry, and also our pool area. So we want to maximize the light in these beautiful spaces that we're just about to renovate, and hopefully we will have a really good lighting plan that will maximize everything in terms of lighting and all our special features in our home. Our designing line consult with the beautiful Ashley from Beacon Lighting, and so we pretty much are ready to go on our pool, kitchen, butlers, laundry. We've done it all today, and now we're back inside the studio. It makes it a lot easier. So we've been able to bring it up on the screen behind us, and we've worked out our floor plan.
There it is. Look at that.
There it is. Thank you so much for everything today. I really appreciate it. Phone call. I'm really excited. So my lighting plan has been completed. Basically all I've got to do now is head to store, pick it up, and in this little file I'm about to receive has all the product information that I'm needing to buy for the house, and I just need to collect those products and hand the electrical plan over to our electrician, and it's as simple as that. So I'm really excited because it's another point of our build that has come, and I can kind of tick off the list after this. So literally all the points have been marked out and we're ready to rock and roll.
Personalized quote, lighting key of all your product selections and the lighting plan corresponding, with each number correlating to your different products and their location. We also look at wiring, additional comments, specialized comments, strip lighting locations, for interior and also exterior.
So it was as simple as that. Got the phone call, went into Beacon, picked up my file, and I've got everything in hand. Very much well worth the experience and the time spent, not to mention not too bad on the pocket either.